Are you looking for the best brake bleeder kit? In this video, we will break down the top 6 brake bleeder kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
The MITYVAC brake bleeder kit is a vacuum pump type with a pistol pump made of zinc alloy die-cast metal. This gives it exceptional durability, and it can withstand a lot of pressure without faltering. It comes with a pressure gauge that is fitted directly to the top of the pistol. This is ideally positioned for you to check on the pressure as you bleed your brakes without having to adjust your head. The gauge is graduated in both inches and centimeters for easy reading. This kit also comes with a handy carrying case that has all of the spare parts and miniature components and pieces, so everything can be stored carefully. Although the asking price is a little high compared to budget options, this long-lasting vacuum pump kit is ideally suited for solo workers or those who prefer to take care of this task without having to rely on a buddy. While it does not come with a universal adapter, the COPAP 16 PCS brake bleeder and vacuum pump toolkit do have several separate adapters that can work on most makes and models of vehicles. The hose is fairly long. This vacuum brake bleeder kit comes with a carrying case for easy storage and convenient transportation, as well as a vacuum gauge located at the top of the piston pump. The affordable and versatile kit can be enjoyed by beginners and experienced automobile owners. Its high-strength copper barrel and the metal shell will not start corroding or forming rust patches with time. This makes it easy to read out the pressure with an ideal pressure range: 0 to 30 inches Hg, 0 to 760 mm Hg. The gauge is made of pressure-proof salinity, so it continues working even under high pressure. Those that own classic cars know the importance of excellent maintenance. To keep your vintage motor in tip-top condition, you need to invest in good quality products such as this. The Motive Products Power Bleeder has been specifically designed for late-model GM cars. The good news is that the adapter that comes with the brake bleeder kit also fits Cadillac, Buick, Chevrolet, Oldsmobile, Pontiac, and Saturn. No pressure source is needed with this power bleeder as it is operated by hand, and it features a precision pressure gauge to ensure safe and effective operation. This power brake bleeder has been used by racers, enthusiasts, home mechanics, and professional mechanics. Many of these people have little or no experience in bleeding brakes, but were able to successfully use the tool to save time and money. It has been universally praised as an effective tool that is simple to use. This product line includes power extractors for use in changing oil to power fills, for use in refilling transmissions and differentials. While many brake bleeder kits can be annoyingly loud, the CAPRI tool CP21029 offers a super quiet operation, as it comes with an integrated silencer. Besides quiet operation, it is an effective model with a built-in Venturi system that produces enough vacuum power for bleeding or flushing brake and clutch systems. When you buy this kit, you get a 40-inch silicone tube that should be long and sturdy enough for most vehicles. Additionally, the universal rubber adapter makes this a more versatile kit, as you can use it on most standard and ABS brake systems. Using this kit is more straightforward as it is simple to set up and comes with clear directions on what to do. Better still, it is a one-person operation kit that eliminates the need for extra help when bleeding your brakes. It can be hard to tell when you remove all the air since the suction creates bubbles, but you should figure it out once you get used to the kit. Also, the drain cap should loosen a bit with more use. Everything about this system is perfectly engineered, allowing it to rise above nearly any other brake bleeding system. As you might expect, it works on an air compressor system, so that you only need to crack the bleeder and let it go to work. At full force, this thing can pull about 2 quarts per minute. A variable speed control system gives you the control you need to prevent wasting any precious resources. And to keep your mind at ease, it comes with an automatic refill system to prevent you from bleeding your brake lines dry. One more trick to tail is the inclusion of a swivel connection for the air lines to keep you from binding as you work. While you are getting a good quality product, it's just a little too high in price compared to the competition for many to justify. The MITYVAC MV6840 kit includes 7 master cylinder adapters. These are compatible with most brands of light trucks and cars. The fluid reservoir has a large capacity of 1.2 gallons or 5 liters. There's another manual pump integrated into the system to add air from above the fluid level. This prevents aeration. The internal components of the pump seal against the exposure of the fluids. The on-off valve is located near the fluid output. The kit has a quick change style, push to connect accessories. There is a manual pressure release valve for safety. It is a professional clutch and hydraulic brake bleeding system. There are 7 master cylinder adapters to fit any car or truck. The kit forces the new brake fluid through the master cylinder to expel the old fluid and air out of the bleed screw. Its pressure gauge helps control the pressure in the system, while the pressurized reservoir allows for hands-free operation and movement around the workspace. The pump can exert a maximum pressure of 20 psi or 1.4 bars. The pack weighs 14.4 pounds or 6.5 kg. It is 11.8 inches by 11.3 inches by 15.6 inches in dimensions. The kit is supported by a 3-year warranty.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.